Hello, good morning. Welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this gorgeous F30 320 diesel X-Drive saloon we've just had in. 2-litre diesel, X-Drive platform, so 4-wheel drive, presented in sapphire black metallic, 3-owner vehicle, covered 80,000 miles, full BMW service history up until 2017, and then we have invoices thereafter. Really well looked after car, in very tidy condition. We've fitted some additional styling upgrades as usual, and the purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. So I'll talk you through some of the features and options, as well as looking at the condition of it. So as you can see, this benefits from having the Xenon Headlight Package. So Xenon headlights to the front, M Sport Plus pack with the M Sport brakes, blue calipers and Harman Kardon sound. We've fitted the twin slack kidney grills, 3-piece front splitter, these gorgeous 20-inch bi-colour wheels. You see the front disc there, been replaced very recently. Privacy glass side vinyls and then performance logo. Staggered wheels, so wider wheels and tyres on the rear, give it a really nice aggressive look. Gloss black rear diffuser and rear spoiler. This will be fully detailed and mopped and polished, so if you see any sort of hairline marks, or they will all be ironed out. 20-inch wheels really do set it off. Take a look at the interior. So you'll see the black Dakota leather, heated front seats, electric folding door mirrors. There you see the Harman Kardon sound, all electrics, electrically adjustable mirrors as well, automatic headlights which are Xenon, automatic rain sensing wipers, 8-speed automatic with the paddle shift options, and Tiptronic. Benefits from the widescreen navigation also. Got it set up to show you the service history, which, as I mentioned, is all present with BMW on the iDrive up until 2017. We do have invoices thereafter. Next oil changes due in 17,000 miles, front brake pads in 27,000 and rear pads in 35. Heated seats, dual zone climate control, and again interior very tidy for the age of mileage. Isofix rear bench with the rear central armrest as well. Let's have a quick look at the professional media pack. There you go. It's auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth phone and audio. Physically in stock, ready to drive away. HP up to 60 months with a variety of lenders which you can check on, quote and apply on our website. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.